Stocks on the deep. We have MI, MSAI, FLYE, TGE, and ARTL. So we'll begin with MI, down 69.45%. So this is a stock you have to be really careful with. It looks like a rock pool was done on the stock. Yeah, 69%. It's not unusual, but yeah, just be careful. Intraday low $1.04. Let's see what has occurred so far. Okay, 4.7 million shares, 4.4 million shares have crossed the tape so far. Let's see what they're doing to the stock. 1.3 doesn't look that liquid, doesn't look that active. Yeah, just be careful. Okay, so okay, and it doesn't has not been around that long as well. Projections are currently saying no, nothing to the upside. Even lower projections being extrapolated before now, as of the 23rd of October. Yeah, 11.79, 13.92, 15.24. What are the odds of those printing? Okay, so the stock is trading at a huge discount to all of its moving averages, based on the ones we have: 10, 21, and 40-day moving averages, and indeed also its 200-day moving averages has just started to form. Yeah, that moving average has just started to form. Okay, let's just see the 4-hour chart for MI Mint Incorporation. Okay, well, the extrapolation is saying it may begin to stabilize, but with a bearish bias, and then may bounce from the 12th of November. No guarantee that that will be the case. Okay, near term projections are saying 4.9. A much closer projection is $4.94. Indeed, also no guarantee that that will print as well. Um, Outside that, there's also 5.31, 5.61, 6.09, 6.92, 7.2, 7.36. Okay, there's no news that we have seen. Yeah, it looks like a rock pool here. MSAI down 32.83%. Intraday no low, nothing like that. Maybe it may be a case of contracting the previous session's expansion. Let's see. MSAI, let's see, multi-sensor AI holdings. Okay, 20 million shares above average have crossed the tape. Okay, yeah, it's looking active as well. It's looking active. Are they really discovering prices? Spread, okay, it's quite liquid. They are discovering prices here. They are discovering prices. Um, yeah, surely it is active. People are seeking to, yeah, they are. I think they're discovering prices, but just much closer to where the stock is currently trading. So people are expecting 1.51, 1.52, 1.55, 1.59. Yeah, 1.68. You see that lot there? Yeah, there could be high prices. Let's see. Let's go down and see what 1.15, 1.07. Okay, people are expecting to buy. Yeah, this guy's expecting to buy. Yeah, expecting to buy. No, no. So they're expecting to sell. This guy's expecting to sell. Okay, funny enough. Yeah, expecting to sell. Maybe you never know. Um, why people are expecting to sell at lower prices. Well, yeah, maybe just in case if it gets too risky. Okay, we spend too much time there. MSAI. Okay, so lower prices are expected to keep printing up till the 7th of November. Then after that, it may go into a consolidation up till when up till the 16th of December. That's the length of our extrapolation. Okay, yeah, it's a contraction of yesterday's expansion. Yes, yeah, it is. Okay, so it's still trending. All the moving averages are still trending. Yeah, they're still trending very well. Positions opened all the way back to 200 days ago are still in profit. Okay. Multi-sensor AI Inc. announces pricing of 14 points. Okay, yeah, that's why. Yeah, yeah, they pumped it up yesterday because there's no news. Well, they've been pumping it up since the whole of last week. The whole of apart from just the whole of almost the whole of last week from the 28th till yeah, five straight session of pumps. So yeah, they know what they did there. They know what they're doing. I guess it's multi-sensor AI. Okay, it has that name. There might be something there about the company. Multi-sensor AI Holdings Inc. announces pricing. Okay, okay. And now they start following the stock. Maybe a stock that maybe stock to watch. Yeah, if it has something to offer, then it may be a soft. If it's really doing AI, then yeah, this sort of price would definitely be attractive. FLYE. FLYE. Okay, let's see. Forget about. I think they did maybe they may have done a reverse split. We'll get a figure here. FLYE. Okay, down 26%. Not no extrapolation. Doesn't have enough data. Okay, trading at a discount to all of its moving averages. So those moving averages are bearish now. Yeah. However, projections are currently saying 18.98, 22.56, 24.78. Okay. On the last Thursday, it expanded to 21.40. So it's contracting that expansion. So 22, yeah, that's it. Yeah, intraday high 22 on the 30th. So it's actually contracting that expansion. Let's see what we have. Okay, class action. Okay, lawsuits. FLYE Group Inc. Endless lawsuits. Okay, so let's see. We could just quickly glance at its 4-hour chart. Okay, yeah, extrapolating lower prices at least up till the 12th of November. Upper projection is saying 19.75. Okay, let's get the volume so far in this session. Okay, yeah, nothing. 80,000. Yeah, very tiny. TGE. Okay, down 28.73%. Let's see. Okay, 5.73 million shares, right about its regular average volume. Okay, so it's looking quite active as well, but yeah, looking, it's quite liquid. It's liquid as well. You can see the spread between the ask and the bid. Okay, people may be discovering prices. Well, at least aggressive and passive hands are attempting to participate. That's a good thing. Passive hands are really, really, really keen on participating, even though they are not. Yeah, they are, it seems they. Did I just see anything change there? It doesn't. It looks quite stagnant now. Okay, we'll see. TGE. Okay, hasn't been around that long. Okay, but since it started trading, it's just been downhill. Yesterday, yes, was it yesterday? It's spiked. Yeah, yesterday spiked, and so it's contracting that expansion. Let's see what we have: 2.82, 3.36, 3.69. Yeah, all of its moving averages, the ones that it has at the moment, are severely bearish. I don't think it's 4 hour chart will have any extrapolations. Oh, it has. Okay, so yeah, it's more of a okay. What it's saying here that it's going to it has had a bounce. It may remain that way up till tomorrow's pre-market session, and then after that, it's just going to be a distributive contraction. Here, projections are saying 2.39, 2.64, $3 or 3.38, and the moving average is also bearish here on the 4 hour chart for TGE. ARTL down 29.28%. Expanded today, yeah. Spiked to 5.49, and something may have happened. It's contracting that. Let's see. Quite a volatile session for ARTL Biosciences. Let's see what the volume is saying. 6.071. Okay. Highly volatile. I mean, it's a volatile day for the stock, way above average volume. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, people are hoping to participate. Yeah, but it's quite stagnant. There, nothing seemed to. It's not as volatile. Not as volatile as I thought. ARTL. ARTL. Okay, so extrapolation saying that well, it may bounce and hold it up till the 10th of November. Then well, just consider. It's just saying that it may consolidate up till the 19th of November. Then after that, from the 20th of November, it may bounce. So, what is there anything that's going to happen then? From is there anything that may be anticipated from late November of this year? If you know, drop a comment. What could justify this bounce if it hasn't had any bounce? Well, it has had some. Well, it has had some. Um, yeah, it has had a bounce before, but what suddenly what could possibly warrant this? Okay, projections are saying nothing to the upside currently. As of the 10th of October, it had 6.55, 7.45, and $8. Okay, so all of its moving averages are severely bearish. The stock is trading at a discount to all of them. Okay, no fresh news. There might be some news somewhere. Let's see whether we can find anything here in terms of news for Artelo Biosciences trading lower. The company announced the publication of a peer-reviewed article, the emerging role of fatty acid binding protein 3, FABP3 in cancers in drug discovery today. Okay, maybe it wasn't enough to avert this decline. So have a look and see what you make of these stocks. Just be careful with MIMI. Let's just quickly review what's going on with it. Yeah, just be careful. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video.